In this exercise, we will learn how to find the value of polynomials quickly and correctly. Find P of 2. Most students make mistakes while substituting the values. But once you understand this method, the questions become very easy. The value of P of 2 is 7. Now let's start with the problems. First problem, find the value of the linear polynomial 5x minus 3 if x is 0, if x is minus 1, if x is 2. The given polynomial is 5x minus 3. Now we should find the value of this linear polynomial at x equal to 0 first. So first one, find the value of this polynomial at x equal to 0. So instead of x, substitute 0. So 5 multiple 0 minus 3. 5 multiple 0 is 0. So 0 minus 3 is minus 3. So P of 0 value is minus 3. So P of minus 1. So instead of x, substitute minus 1 correctly. So 5 into minus 1 minus 3. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, then minus 3. So minus 5 and minus 3 is minus 8. So this is the value of P of minus 1. Third one, find the value of P of 2. So 5 into 2 minus 3. 5 into 2 is 10. So 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. So the value of P of 2 is 7. Next problem number 2. Find the value of the quadratic polynomial 7s square minus 4s plus 6 if s is 0, if s is minus 3, if s is 4. The given polynomial is 7s square minus 4s plus 6. So first find the value of P of 0. So substitute 0 instead of s. So 7 into 0 square minus 4 into 0 plus 6. So 7 into 0 square is 0. 4 into 0 is 0 plus 6. So the P of 0 value is, it's a plus 6. Next second one, find the value of the polynomial at s equal to minus 3. So P of minus 3. So instead of s, substitute minus 3. 7 into minus 3 the whole square minus 4 into minus 3 plus 6. So 7 into the square value of minus 3 is 9. Minus 4 into minus 3 is plus 12 and plus 6. 7 9s are 63 plus 12 plus 6 is 18. Next 63 plus 80 is 81. So the P of minus 3 value is 81. Next third one, find the value of the polynomial at s equal to 4. So instead of s, substitute 4. So 7 into 4 square minus 4 into 4 plus 6. So 7 into 4 square value is 16 minus 4 into 4 is 16 plus 6. So 7 into 16 is 112. 16 plus 6 is minus 10. So P of 4 value is 112 minus 10 is 102. This is the answer. Next third problem. The present age of Salil's mother is 3 times Salil's present age. After 5 years, their ages will add up to 70 years. Find their present ages. The present age of Salil's mother is compared to the Salil's present age. So we can consider the Salil's present age as x. So present age of Salil is x years. Now the given information, present age of Salil's mother is 3 times the Salil's present age. So the present age of Salil's mother is 3x. So after 5 years, the age of Salil will be x plus 5. And after 5 years, the age of Salil's mother will be 3x plus 5. Now we are adding up these two, that is equal to 7. So after 5 years, the age of Salil is x plus 5. After 5 years, the age of Salil's mother is 3x plus 5. Now the given information, their ages will add up to 70 years. So sum of these two should be equal to 70. So we form the equation from the given information, sum of their ages equal to 70. Now we can simplify this. X plus 3x is 4x plus 5 plus 5 is 10, which is equal to 70. Then 4x equal to 70 minus 10. which is equal to 60. Next, x equal to 60 divided by 4. Then x value is 15. So x represent the present age of the Salil. So the present age of the Salil is 15 years. So the present x value is 15. So the present age of the Salil is 15 years. Now we can substitute this 15 value here. So we can find the present age of Salil's mother. So 3 into 15 is 45. So the present age of Salil is 15 years. Present age of Salil's mother is 45 years. Next problem. Problem number 4. The difference between two positive integers is 63. The ratio of the two integers is 2:5. Find the two integers. So the ratio of the two integers is given 2:5. So we can consider the two integers as, so the two positive integers are 2x and 5x. Now the given information, difference between the two positive integers is 63. So among these two positive integers, this is the greater number, this is a smaller number. So the given information difference. So difference meaning is greater number minus smaller number is given, that is 63. So we form the equation 5x minus 2x equal to 63 from the given information. Now we can simplify this to find the value of x. So 5x minus 2x is 3x. So 3x equal to 63. Then x equal to 63 divided by 3. Then the value of x is 21. So we found the value of x. Your question is find the two integers. So substitute this x value here. We can find the two integers. So the two integers are 2 into x. So 2 into 21, which is equal to 42. And 5 into x. So 5 into 21, which is equal to 105. So the two integers are 42 and 105 is the answer. Next problem number 5. Ruby has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as she has 5 rupee coins. If she has a total 88 rupees, find how many coins does she have of each type. So consider the number of 5 rupees coin she has is x. Then the comparison is given, number of 2 rupee coin she has 3 times the number of 5 rupee coins. So next the number of 2 rupee coin is, so number of 2 rupee coin she has is 3x. We consider the number of 5 rupee coin is x. Then from the given information we can write number of 2 rupee coin she has is 3x. Now the total, she has total amount is 88 rupees. So now we can form the equations. She has totally x number of 5 rupee coin. So 5 into x. So 5x plus she has 3x number of 2 rupee coin. So 2 into 3x, that is equal to the total amount 88. Now we can simplify this to find the value of x. So 5x plus 2 into 3 is 6x. So 6x equal to 88. 5x plus 6x, which is equal to 11x. So 11x equal to 88. Then x equal to 88 divided by 11. So then the final value of x is 8. So we found the value of x is 8. So number of 5 rupee coin is 8. Number of 2 rupees coin is 3 into 8. It's 24. This is the final answer. Next problem number 6. A farmer cuts a 300 feet fence into 2 pieces of different sizes. The longer piece is 4 times as long as the shorter piece. How long are the 2 pieces? So we consider the length of the shorter piece as x feet. Then we can write the length of the longer piece as 4x. So length of the longer piece as 4x. Now sum of these two. The length of sum of these two should be equal to 300 because the 300 feet fence cut into 2 pieces. So these two are 2 pieces. So sum of these two should be equal to 300. So we can form so x plus 4x, which is equal to 300, plus 4x is 5x. So 5x equal to 300. Then x equal to 300 divided by 5. Then x equal to 60. So we found the value of x, that is 60. So the length of the shorter piece is 60 feet. Then length of the longer piece is 4x. So 4 multiple x value is 60. So 4 into 60 is 240 feet. So we found the length of the 2 pieces. The smaller piece's length is 60 feet and the larger piece's Length is 240 feet. Problem number 7. If the length of the rectangle is 3 more than the twice its width, then its perimeter is 24 centimeter. What are the dimensions of the rectangle? Given information is length of the rectangle is comparable with the width of the rectangle. So we can consider the width of the rectangle as x. So width of the rectangle is x centimeter. Now the comparison is given. Length of the rectangle is 3 more than the twice its width. So length of the rectangle is given information 3 more than twice its width. So twice its width 2x, 3 more than, so plus 3. So this is the length of the rectangle. So this is the rectangle shape. Rectangle width is x centimeter and the length is 2x plus 3 centimeter. Now we can find the perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter of the rectangle is, the perimeter of the rectangle meaning is sum of all the sides. So sum all the sides, x plus 2x plus 3 plus 2x plus 3, that is equal to 24 centimeter, because sum of all sides of the rectangle is called a perimeter. Now x plus 2x plus 2x. So sum of these four terms, which is equal to 6x. So 6x plus 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 equal to 24. Next 6x equal to 24 minus 6. Then 6x equal to 18. Then x equal to 18 divided by 6. Then the value of x is 3. So we found the value of x 3. So the width of the rectangle is x. So we found the value of x. So the width of the rectangle is 3 centimeter. Then length of the rectangle is 2x plus 3. So 2 into x value is 3. So 2 into 3 plus 3. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So the width of the rectangle is 3 centimeter and the length of the rectangle is 9 centimeter. This is the final answer. So far we completed the problems from the exercise set 2.2. In the upcoming video, we will continue with the exercise 2.3 solutions. Thank you.